3M's electrically conductive gasket tape MSG6000F series is ideal for applications requiring good conductivity, compressibility, and resilience. This tape series incorporates conductive fabric, highly conductive gray foam, and black pressure-sensitive adhesive, or PSA. As a result, this product offers excellent grounding performance between substrates and provides excellent EMI shielding performance. The PSA tack properties make this tape easy to use in assembly operations and offers good quality adhesion to common metals including copper, aluminum, and stainless steel. This electrically conductive tape is effective for EMI shielding over a broad range of frequencies from several tens of megahertz to tens of gigahertz, making this series an ideal solution for many mobile handheld devices such as phones, digital cameras, and laptops, which require grounding reinforcement, better shielding, or both.